and your life. Hi Delnaz.
Hi.
Welcome to Indian Wikimedia.
Thank you.
So, कैसे चल रहा है? How are you?
I'm very good, yeah. Thanks.
Your fans have been waiting, yeah. When are you coming back on television?
अरे यार ये वर्ड कमबैक जो है ना मुझे नहीं पसंद है. कहाँ चली गई थी मैं कि वापस आ रही हूँ. I'm all here and been doing shows and it's just been a little small break जो जरूरी होता है. तो बस वो ब्रेक लेके वापस आई हूँ with a show called एक दीवाना था which is rocking, really happening on Sony at 10 o'clock every day, Monday to Friday. And I'm going to be on air soon क्योंकि शूटिंग शुरू हो चुकी है मेरी and 2 week सीरियल को होने वाले हैं. I'm coming in the 3rd week. So ओढ़नी है मेरा नाम उस सीरियल में and ओढ़नी will be absolutely colorful and it's such an interesting character that लोगों को इतना पसंद आने वाला है. Something that people have never seen me like this, you know, comedy किया, हंसाया लोगों को. अब थोड़ा डराने का वक्त आ गया है.
Okay, so one of your fan, Aman Bhatnagar, is here. Okay. He's asking you that what type of acting roles would interest you the most and why?
I think comedy मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा पसंद है. अमन, thank you for the question firstly. And मुझे comedy बहुत पसंद है and मैं comedy बहुत अच्छा मतलब I don't feel like I'm working. So definitely anything to do with comedy. But yes, having said that, something like ओढ़नी would definitely interest me because बहुत ही अलग shade है. बहुत सारा मसाला है उस कैरेक्टर में. आई कैन नॉट से कि नेगेटिव है या पॉजिटिव है. इट्स ऑल इन वन. सो बहुत मजा आ रहा है मुझे शूट करने में. समथिंग लाइक दैट विल डेफिनेटली इंटरेस्ट द ऑडियंस एंड मी.
ओके, तो व्हाट मेड यू सेड यस? इज द डिफरेंट फैक्टर?
Yes, I don't think there was any reason for me to say no, frankly, to this role. Because बहुत ही interesting किस्म का. पहले तो show बहुत interesting है. Secondly, it's made by all these really young bunch of people. You know, the producer is about 27 years and you know उन्होंने creatively बहुत अच्छे shows लिखे हैं, अच्छे shows पे काम किया है. Now this is his first production, so I felt very happy to be associated with a very young lot of people. Second of all, the show is very interesting. Third of all, मेरा जो किरदार है, जैसे मैंने कहा, ओढ़नी का कैरेक्टर जो है वो बहुत ही अलग किस्म का था. Somebody took the chance or took the risk to give me something like this. Because अगर मैं प्रोड्यूसर होती तो मेरे ऑलरेडी मेरे जहन में 5 नाम ऐसे हैं जो ये रोल कर सकते. तो क्योंकि वो नाम ना लेके उन्होंने हटके मुझे बुलाया, तो आई फील वेरी ग्रेटफुल एंड मैं कोशिश करूंगी कि मैं ऑडियंस को जरूर एंटरटेन करूं इस रोल से.
Okay, a fan of yours, Awais Arshad, he's saying hi and he's saying that I've seen you on Bigg Boss and it was amazing.
Thank you. Arshad, right?
Yeah,
Arshad. Thank you very much.
So are you following this year Bigg Boss?
Yes, I'm a huge fan of Bigg Boss and I never miss you know, a single episode. Last 2 years I've not followed properly, but इस साल तो बिल्कुल day 1 से मैं फॉलो कर रही हूँ और बहुत मजा आ रहा है.
तो आपके हिसाब से आपका like favorite कौन है? या
I like Shilpa a lot. I like Shilpa a lot. I mean like मतलब मैं ये बोलना चाहूंगी कि देखियो बिग बॉस एक ऐसा शो है. मैं दोनों साइड्स पे रही हूँ. मैं घर के अंदर भी रही हूँ, मैं घर के बाहर एज एन ऑडियंस भी मैंने देखे है. तो व्हाट आई हैव रियलाइज्ड इज उसको बहुत लाइटली लो, एंटरटेन हो, बहुत पर्सनली मत लो. क्योंकि जब मैं घर के अंदर थी और जब मैं बाहर निकली तो मुझे ऐसा लगा कि यार मैं घर के अंदर इतना रो रही थी एंड a lot of us used to get irritated and you know feel very lost and cry and sob and ये सारी चीजें करने की कुछ जरूरत ही नहीं है. because when you come out and see the episodes they are highly entertaining and आप अगर उस तरीके से इस शो को लोगे ना कि ये सिर्फ एंटरटेनिंग है, एंटरटेनमेंट है, आप उसको देख के जैसे ये फिल्म गोलमाल अगेन की कैसे पब्लिसिटी की है कि बस देयर इज नो लॉजिक, देयर इज ओनली मैजिक, बस उसको देख के भूल जाओ, वैसे अगर आप करोगे ना तो ये शो बहुत मजेदार लगेगा. तो हैविंग सेड दैट आई एम सेइंग आई डोंट नो शिल्पा पर्सनली, I've probably just met her at some function here and there. But as an entertainer, I really like her. Same way, like I was shocked when during my season हम लोग इतना गुस्सा करते थे इमाम पे यार, ही सो इरिटेटिंग, ही इज डूइंग दिस टू अस एंड दैट टू अस. लेकिन जब मैं बाहर निकली तो he was a star. He was the biggest entertainer of that season. And when I came out and when I saw the episodes, I was laughing. I was laughing at what he used to do with all of us. So basically एक ऐसा होता है कि यार आप चिढ़ जाते हो, घर का माहौल ऐसा होता है. आप जब अंदर होते हो तो आप एक डिफरेंट सिचुएशन में होते हो, एंड जब आप बाहर निकलोगे ना तो आप एक एक पार्टिसिपेंट जो है ना वो देख के हंसेगा कि यार ये मैंने ऐसे क्यों किया, या मैं ऐसे क्यों, मैं ओवर रिएक्ट कर रही थी, या क्यों मैं इतना रोई, so on and so forth.
Okay,
so the show is such basically.
Okay, so a fan of yours is Suzanne D'Souza.
Yeah.
She's saying, as a viewer, what do you think? Who's right, Shilpa or Vikas?
I can't comment on that as of now because I think कल जो थोड़ा शिल्पा कुछ ज्यादा ही कर गई एपिसोड में, but like I said, एंटरटेन जो सबसे ज्यादा कर रहा है वो पहले दिन से शिल्पा कर रही है. एंड अगर पर्सनली देखा जाए तो मैं उनकी बैक स्टोरी इतना नहीं जानती हूँ, क्या सच है क्या झूठ है आई डोंट नो, बट आई ओनली नो वन थिंग दैट शी इज फुल ऑन एंटरटेनमेंट. आई लाइक टू सी हर, दैट्स ऑल. आई मीन पर्सनली इतना गुड बैड अगली देखना भी नहीं चाहिए बिकॉज इट्स बिग बॉस इवेंचुअली. इट्स नॉट अ प्रेयर सेशन.
Okay, there are a lot of fans who are saying you hi from Indonesia.
Okay, hi.
Okay, and one of the fan is asking that who are the 3 finalists according to you?
मेरे हिसाब से the people I like, मतलब I can't say कौन होगा क्योंकि कोई भी हो सकता है. एंड मैं इतना कहूंगी कि मुझे जो लोग पसंद है वो है शिल्पा, विकास, हिना खान, हितेन, and Arshi. I like her also. And even Akash, he's quite mad. Yeah.
So you like Hiten and Arshi's angle?
I don't like Hiten and Arshi's angle. No, I don't like. I know Hiten personally. I think बहुत अच्छे इंसान है, बट यहाँ अच्छे इंसानों की जरूरत नहीं होती है. तो हितेन टिके रहो जैसे मैं टिकी रही थी. लेकिन I wish you get the trophy, but I doubt you'll get the trophy because you're too good, man. You're too good a soul.
Okay, there's a fan of yours, Aksa. She's saying love from Pakistan.
Thank you so much. Same to you.
So we'll play a fun quick 10 game with you. So I'll throw fun 10 questions and you have to answer them fatafat.
Okay.
So the first one goes like this: do you enjoy your celebrity status?
Of course.
If we come to your house and check your wardrobe, what would we find?
A lot of jewelry, a lot of makeup, and a lot of Indian garments.
Okay. How would someone get your special attention?
They need to pamper me a lot.
Okay. In a hypothetical situation, would you date your fan?
Why not? If he's handsome, if he's cute and has a lot of sense of humor.
Okay. Name a worst place where you could get stuck.
A local train in Mumbai.
Okay. Which TV sitcom family would you want to be a member of?
Sarabhai versus Sarabhai.
Describe a perfect kiss in 3 words.
Okay. A perfect kiss.
Yes.
In 3 words.
Yes.
How do I describe that, dear? Do you want it to be naughty or you want it to be straight?
Like whatever you comfortable.
Okay. Sensuous.
Perfect. Okay, what's your one annoying habit that you want to get rid of?
Okay, I have this OCD of cleanliness. And I'm a typical Virgo, and I when I leave my house, I check things like 10 times, whether the switches are off, whether this is there, whether it's proper, so on and so forth. So I think it's pretty annoying for the other person who is there with me, and yeah, I think
Okay.
I need to change.
Okay. What would be a one good theme song for your life?
Okay. हर घड़ी बदल रही है रूप जिंदगी, शाम
Hey,
कभी कभी है धूप जिंदगी, पल यहाँ जी भर जियो.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Okay, the last one. If your plane is about to crash, who would you want to be sitting beside you?
Percy, 100%.
Okay, and talking about Percy, how has your relationship evolved with him?
I think he's the sweetest guy I've met. I think he's most loving, very caring, and जैसे बोलते थे ना कि प्यार में ऐसा होना चाहिए, वैसा होना चाहिए. It's like a dream come true. Seriously, touch wood, touch wood, touch wood.
Okay, and what is the sweetest gift that Percy has given you?
Okay, we were in this show called Power Couple
Yeah.
2 years back, and उन्होंने मुझे मतलब मुझे पता भी नहीं था कि उनकी 1 महीने की ये प्रेपरेशन थी. उनको पता नहीं था कि we going for the show or we would be there for the show or whatever. It was my dad's death anniversary, and he actually I'm sorry, it was my dad's birth anniversary.
Okay.
It was in November, and you know, and देखा जाए तो coincidentally we were on that show. So since a month he was preparing, he's a DJ.
Okay.
So he made this whole remix on all the songs that my dad was a very good singer.
Okay.
Yeah, so he was an ardent fan of Shami Kapoor ji
Okay.
and Raj Kapoor ji.
Okay.
So what Percy did was he got all his favorite songs, he made a remix, he made a video out of it, and he also put a lot of dad's photographs and stuff, and he made a full video like a movie, and he gifted that to me on the show. So I think and they showed it to me on the big screen and everything, and I didn't know what to do. It was like, and on dad's birth anniversary, I was like completely in tears. And the same evening, we were the first ones to win a particular task also.
Nice.
So it was a beautiful day for me.
Perfect day.
Yeah.
Okay, and what you have given him? Like the sweetest thing or the bestest thing?
I think materialistically speaking, okay, वो होता रहता है. But I think eventually what we've given each other is the strong bond that we have, the togetherness, and the commitment, you know. So yeah.
Okay, now we'll play a fun game with Delnaz. You guys can also join in, and आप लोग भी guess कर सकते हो. देखते Delnaz how good she is with songs. So I'll tell you the English translations of the Hindi songs.
Okay.
Bollywood songs,
Okay.
and you have to guess them. Okay.
Okay.
So the first one goes like this. Shall I tell you or shall I keep quiet about the condition of my heart? Shall I tell you or shall
कहूँ के ना कहूँ.
Like you're little close, but then it's not the lyrics. Shall I tell you or shall I keep quiet about the condition of my heart?
कह दूँ तुम्हें या चुप रहूँ.
Perfect.
Okay.
So the other one is, oh, saw a girl and felt like this, saw a girl and felt like
Okay.
that.
एक लड़की को देख, this is damn simple यार.
Okay, the third one is, just like the need to breathe, just like the need to breathe, for your life all you need is a darling to love. Just like the need to breathe, just like the need to breathe,
हाँ.
for your life all you need is a darling to love.
हाँ. सांसों की जरूरत है जैसे
हमारे questions बहुत simple है.
Yeah.
अच्छा, ठीक है. The other one is, listen sir the tune of love, I have chosen you, now you too do the same.
Listen sir. सुन जरा नहीं. सुन दीदी तेरे लिए
No,
एक
no,
रिश्ता.
no. Very sister here. Listen, sir, sir, the tune of love. I have chosen you. Now you two do the same.
Listen, sir, the tune of love. Sun sir. Sun, sir. Sun, sir.
Sir. What is sun, sir?
तो ये क्या है? Listen, sir. कुछ हिंट तो दे.
आगे का गेस करो ना. I have chosen you. Now you two do the
मैंने
same.
पसंद कर लिया है तुम्हें, अब तुम भी पसंद करो मुझे.
कितना हाँ, इतना इजी था, आपने गैस ही नहीं करा. मैं बता
बोल. हाँ.
सुन साहिबा सुन,
ओह!
प्यार की धुन, मैंने तुझे चुन लिया.
ओह, या.
मुझे चुन चुन. तो ये तो आप गैस कर ही लोगे. Every second this life changes itself. Sometimes there is shade, sometimes there is sun.
I just sang it. हर घड़ी बदल रही है.
Very nice. The other one is, I want to tell you for the first time, you have brought love, love, love into my life.
पहली बार जब नहीं. Okay.
I want to tell you for the first time,
एक
you
मिनट.
have brought.
मुझे तुमसे कहना है कि तुमने.
हाँ, मतलब ऐसा ही है, लेकिन हमने लाइन्स की तरह बोल दिया.
Is it old, new?
Yeah. Old.
Old.
Yeah. I want to tell you for the first time, you have brought love, love, love into my life.
मुझे तुमसे पहली बार कहना है. ऐसा तो ये होता है ना ट्रांसलेशन.
ट्रांसलेट कर दिया.
बोलो.
कहना है आज तुमसे ये पहली बार.
कहना है. या.
That one.
बस अभी बहुत हो गया.
एक और लास्ट. Okay. Last one is, day is about to end, twilight is on the way, let me go, I have to go.
Okay. ढल गया दिन हो गई शाम.
Okay, आपके एक फैन है सुरभि श्रेया. She's saying you're the best.
Thank you, Surbi. Thank you so much.
They all are asking that when will the episode come on air?
Okay. It's coming next week, mostly Wednesday. Please watch. Wednesday is 8th of November. Yeah.
Okay, one fan of yours, Fugo, if I'm not pronouncing it wrong, he's saying hi from Bangladesh to you.
Hi, Fugo from Bangladesh. Hi.
You have a lot of Indonesian fan as well.
Okay. I think Jamai Raja is on air. In Indonesia.
So how special these fans are for you?
We work for them. We whatever we do is for our fans, frankly. क्योंकि जो एक्टर बोलता है उनको adulation, उनको ग्लैमर, उनको ये फेम पसंद नहीं है, वो झूठ कह रहा है. Because I think what are we here for? We are here because we need people to like our work. We need our fans to like us. And if we don't get that kind of love, I mean, what's the point?
Okay. So a final message to all your fans.
Okay, thank you so much for loving me so much for all these years. Please keep loving and keep watching my shows and all the films that I do and all the TV shows that I do. And thank you so much for all the love. God bless you. Have a great day and a great year ahead.
So we have some gifts for you.
Oh,
Thank you so much
thank
for joining.
you.
This is from Chandan Hog Freshness. Nature's
Okay.
Street. Some
Thank
healthy
you.
food and some
gift. Healthy food from Nature's, and these are sweet memories from Chandan. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Della.
Thank you. Bye all. Thank you.